What is going on YouTube? We're back at it with another great video. Today I don't know exactly what we have planned, but I believe Asa's Slave just went out on his 350Z, so you guys are gonna check that out and pretty much see what we do to try to fix it. And I feel like we're pretty much enough confident to fix it because he's having a lot of problems with putting his car into gear. It's really tough. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you like the video, enjoy. And let's go ahead and get that nice little quote start running up, and let's get today started. Alright, put on some shoes, sponsored by Nike. Oh, not really. It's really hard to do this with one hand, but yeah, let's do this. Boy's a little ashy too, but you know. Who are you talking to? Huh? Who are you talking to, bro? Ooh, you bald.
Don't forget my water.
I'm not buying you no jelly beans, bro. Chill out.
I already got that. It's in my bag right now.
Disgusting. You gonna eat the whole bag again today?
Huh?
You gonna eat the whole bag today again? Alright. Bro, I can't get my key out. I can't hear you. Or it's kind of bright, and I don't know what I just recorded in the last 3 seconds, but all right, let's go ahead and give Asa a nice warm welcoming that we are on the way. On the way. Let's go ahead and, you know, leave. Let's do this. All right. I feel like it's a lot bright, but let's get that cold start going on, guys. Let that warm up for a little bit before we drive. Let y'all hear it from out here. Can even hear me over the exhaust, but my blue tip is gone. Don't know how that happened, don't know how that occurred, and they haven't responded back, so I have a little trick to try to save it. If not, I'll buy another muffler and just replace it. Still sounds like a Tommy though. Yeah, I have a lot of oil coming out the exhaust. Pretty sure that's where the oil is going from my engine. Yeah. Can't really hold this and drive, so we will be just skipping to Ace's place once this car warms up. But I'll go ahead and let's throw some couple announcements. So I got a big old surprise for you guys. Turn this crap off. Anyways, I have a big old surprise for you guys coming very, very soon. I won't tell what it is. You guys can guess in the comments and see what you think it is, but let's just know that it's huge and it's big, very big. Yeah, I think you guys will enjoy it a little bit. We're gonna have a couple more new videos coming up, posted. It's coming towards December, so we'll be having a lot of things get done this December, and 2019, whenever it comes by, it's gonna be a really great year. We got a lot of stuff going on for that. And also, if you guys like this hoodie right here, name is Clutch Kicks. This is our little group down here. Tell me what you guys think of this hoodie. If you would like, we might even start mass making them for you guys to purchase, so let me know in the comments. Also, we're gonna have some JDMNEDU hoodies coming very, very soon, as well as Project 85 being re-amped with some new banner stickers and also possibly some hoodies. So let us know in the comments down below and tell us what you guys think, and we'll start getting to working. All right, so after this car warms up, which it still has not, right over here, still very, 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 very low. I guess we'll get to driving and get the Asa spot, see what's going on. So I'll catch you guys in a flip. All right, about to Oh my gosh, I swear. Just focus on my face, man. We're about to go to, I forget which part store we went to buy the slave. And go pick up a slave and, you know, pretty much get that installed. And we'll kind of give you guys a step by step of how to do that. I'll be holding the camera, so you won't be able to really see the whole bleeding process, but I'll try to capture that as well. And we'll show you. It's not too hard. I had to do it on mine when I redid my clutch, changed my slave cylinder, because that's probably one of the main reasons why that transmission cover plate snapped in half, causing my car to be immobile. So, pretty much be showing you guys that. Waiting on Ace to get his wallet, and we will be leaving. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and start my car. It's already warm, guys, so I don't think I'm just gonna just straight up drive off. You guys are gonna be real picky and try to be mean with me. Like in my first video where you guys thought I had already cold started and drove straight off. I'm not an idiot, I don't think. So, yeah. I promised I was gonna get radio. I promised I was gonna get you guys better coverage of like driving inside the cabin wise, and you know, I guess us just BSing around. So, forgot my mirror mount, so I can't really do that right now. But you just, you know, it's life. You guys will see. My hair looks a little bit short on this side. Might need another retwist already. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the parts store. Ace is out and about to get in the car, so let's go. But I don't know what he's doing right now. He's doing something. He's getting in the car. Alright, ready. Time to go. Alright, we're here at O'Reilly's. Jesus. And let's go ahead and let's see what we have in store here. Let me put my phone on and let me put up my key. Let's get out the car. Holding the camera is a lot harder than you think. You can't do normal things you would do with two hands. Alright, we're here. Alright, got our slave. And you bought the brake fluid too? Cool. True. Ooh, it's so sunny out here. You guys can see me that much. Yeah, bright. I gotta keep bringing this down. It's annoying. Alright, time to get back in this car. Alright, we're in. Oh. Which one? Oh, because I had the camera.
The car feels so much lower than mine because it has these seats.
Oh yeah, the bucket seats. I like your seats better though on the low.
Go ahead, y'all switch.
How I'm supposed to move my seats back?
I don't know.
Alright. Let me put this down so we can get back to the spot. Alright, we are back again. I'm gonna hold this correctly for you guys. And we are just brought the slave. Let me show you guys the slave. But we're about to go ahead and pretty much put a new slave in. Let me go and show you guys that right now. So here goes our fantastic slave here. I know you guys like the slave. Got this from O'Reilly's. It comes in this box, so if you see this picture, trust me, it's not some random crap. You didn't order the wrong part. They didn't order the wrong part. So just open the box and you'll see this inside. We also bought some of this for Stone. Got 3. Focus, please. Thank you. Brake fluid to do the bleeding for the clutch. Ace is the pro at bleeding. And I'm pretty sure, unless you want to hold the camera and show them what you're doing.
Yeah, I can hold it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
I'll be pressing the clutch in while I'm in the car, and he'll be doing that. after we change the slave. But he's getting the stuff we're going to use to bleed. In the meantime, I need to add some quarts of oil. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but yeah, got hit right here. I was painting a bumper, but not anytime soon. Probably before IA again, as usual. Get the car ready completely, because if something like this happens again, I just don't want to waste my money. So we'll wait on that. Look at all this. Also, I have a question, you guys. I have a serious question. I need a straightforward answer, not any BS. I want to stop as much oil consumption as possible on my 2006 350Z DE. I've been looking some stuff up. Some people are telling me to change the rings and start oil consumption, do an engine refresh. But what's the cheapest? Well, I wouldn't say the cheapest route. What's the first one? What's the first step to doing it before you go down to the second harder step? So like, I heard about oil coolers and catch cans. Like, I need to know like the statistics. Someone send me a link down in the description below or anything like that, and just, you know, just inform me on what I can do. I'm not trying to find the cheapest route. I'm actually trying to find the best route, and I want to start from one step to another. So like, you know how you have the first step of cutting a banana, you have to peel it first. So you can't just skip steps. I want to do the first thing first before going down to the hard stuff, like taking out the engine and changing a whole bunch of crap. So I sound pretty dumb right now, but I just need some advice. I want to have this car running as good as possible, because it drinks a lot of oil from me and it's very expensive. So comment down below what I should do, and I'll very much appreciate it. But let's get back on towards adding some oil to Luke, the 350 right here. You don't understand, this car really burns oil. Yeah, it really burns. I feel like something's wrong with it. That spout. And we're done. So he's draining it right now.
Is it going down at all?
Nope. Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's going down.
Slow?
Slow though, yeah.
Here, go inside the car.
It's almost to the minimum max though. You want it all the way out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go into the car real quick. And whenever I tell you to push the clutch down, go ahead. Pump the clutch a few times.
Pump it a few times. Want to show them what you're doing? Alright. We are draining it the ghetto way, because we have no other way to do it. Set it better. Angle. That's the slave, right? Yeah. So he's disconnecting the slave wire. I'm trying to see if I can get anything. Yeah.
I'm just trying not to get it everywhere.
Brake fluid stinks. Unscrewing. What tires are in the rear are involved? And it's unplugged. Next is the slave itself, Hey, so you think you'll be able to record from there?
Hey, well, you know, that brake fluid's dripping.
Yeah. Just point out to them. Get over there. Make and race. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look like it's too hard to install either. Here's the old slave right there.
It doesn't look too bad.
It's not bad.
No. We'll see. I mean, it's not like this one in any way, but
Yeah.
I guess we'll see. Ain't no way it's supposed to go like that. Well, that's how that one is, but that doesn't make sense because, like, yours is like that, so I'm sure.
It's supposed to be like that, yeah.
I don't even know. Yeah, I'm assuming.
Oh, something fell in my ear. Alright, ran out of space. I had to delete a couple things. But yeah. Money. Under here.
Now we just gotta bleed it.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let me get from under here. Harder. Who can't even? Huh? Are those new wheels, Doc? Are those new wheels, Doc?
Are they new wheels?
Are they new wheels?
You like my new wheels?
Ooh. 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 Yeah, carbon fiber trim, Doc.
It's getting there.
There we go. Okay. Perfect timing. So, you finna help us
Well, I just came to watch.
take the transmission off?
Hi, yeah, funny. I just came to watch.
Huh?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna help.
Trying to bleed the transmission. What's going on here? Just trying to bleed the transmission and drop it. Huh? Bleed the We're pulling the motor too? Alright, let's do this. You got the pliers? That's all we need to take out the motor, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
10 mil, that's it.
10 mil? Alright. Let's get started. What y'all doing? Alright, time to go in this car and let's do our thing. Don't want to run out of space. I'm running out of space. So I'll wait till I start pressing it down. You know. Get it. See where my foot will be. I pressed on exit. I need to stay locked there. No more moving. Huh? Alright. Mm-hmm.
Pump it and make sure you're coming all the way up.
Alright. no game. Whew. Alright, after doing my leg workouts, we're pretty much finished. You've already tightened everything up. So as you can see, this clutch is coming right back up, even though it has an aftermarket pedal thing. But it's stiff, my legs hurt, and I feel like if I get out this car and try to stand, I'm gonna fall. But yeah, we're done here. I think we did a good job. So please focus for me, thank you. We're gonna go figure out what else we need and start the car and see if it, you know, shifts into gear and all that good stuff. Are you lowering the car?
Raising it up.
Oh, I was like,
About to lower it. You're good.
it's gonna lower while I'm in here. This is one of my fears, is being in a car while it's being lowered. Alright, we're finna go ahead and start it up. Get her done then. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, push the clutch in. Try and put it in gear. It's so hard. See, it's fine after the first one. That's why I don't understand.
The problem is still really hard to get in first. So he's gonna try to adjust his clutch pedal, which is very aftermarket, and see what that does. See if it goes into gear smoothly, and we'll follow you guys up from there. My camera is tilting really badly. Oh, also, let me fix my stuffs. Ah, no wonder I was recording bad. Okay, I don't know what I was recording in just now, but car started up. It's just about to adjust some things. See if it goes. It's still hard. See how it was really hard to put into gear. Yeah, gotta figure out what's going on. In the meantime,
Like, it's all my gears, look. So, like, it's actually disengaging now.
I guess that pretty much sums up the video for today. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, press a big thumbs up. That's really appreciated. It helps my video gets out there. And if you have any questions, if you just want to talk inside the comments, go down below and just comment and do whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'm gone. Bye. See you in the next one. Canela, come here. Good looking. Come here, Canela. Wish I could zoom in on this cam. All the way back there. I can't zoom in with this. Let me see if I can put up the brightness for you guys though. Look at them. Come here.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and